Hi Otters, I'm Cecelia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at Cal State Monterey Bay. This week, we're talking about digital accessibility. Digital accessibility is achieved when all people can equitably access content on the web, in documents, or in applications. Many of the applications we use to communicate, collaborate, and share enable accessibility, but access for all doesn't happen by default. Everyone who shares content in a digital format, like course sites, websites, emails, documents, and presentations, must take action to create an equitable experience for all. It is important to take into consideration the many characteristics a person brings to the table, as well as the variety of devices used to access and interact with the information and opportunities we provide. So, if you are a content creator or develop any of the digital formats already listed, here are 7 core skills from the University of Minnesota that you can use to make your content accessible to all. To make these simple steps less overwhelming, we suggest you start by mastering one step, then move on to the next until you feel confident in all of them. 1. Alternative text. Alternative text, otherwise referred to as alt text, describes images to those who cannot see them, those that are blind or visually impaired. Alt text is all about conveying the feeling of the image through words to help people who use screen readers or other adaptive technologies understand the image even if they cannot see it. 2. Contrast. Contrast refers to the difference between the foreground and background colors of the text or graphics you create. For example, you might use black text on a white background. Remember, just because your content looks one way to you does not mean it will look the same to your audience. Accessibility website, webaim.org, has a free contrast checker that you can use to double-check your work. 3. Headings. Well-organized content helps people navigate and process information more easily and equitably. Structured documents and web pages are critical for adaptive technology users who rely on properly formatted headings to understand and navigate documents and web pages. 4. Links. Links are one of the most basic elements in any digital space. Learning to write good link text can improve anything you put online, so your goal should be to write link text that briefly summarizes what is linked to. 5. Lists. Presenting a wall of text in a document or on a website can discourage reading. Instead, present key concepts as a list wherever possible. Lists can improve reading comprehension and speed, reduce reader fatigue, provide a break in the document or website flow, and encourage readers to stick with the content. 6. Tables. Accessible tables can help people more easily read the information contained in a table. Accessible tables are simple, have an identified header row, and include a table summary, either as a caption or as alt text. Webaim.org has a great article about how to create accessible tables. 7. Video and audio. It is important to remember that video and audio content should include text-based alternatives so all people can access the information. Videos should have accurate captions and audio descriptions, and audio-only content should include an accurate transcript. For more information on how to improve your content by implementing these tools for accessibility, including some awesome resources, visit our KB, Getting Started with Digital Accessibility. Just go to csumb.edu/IT and type in digital accessibility in the Search Our Services bar. This KB includes a variety of information about the instructions on how to make content accessible, as well as other useful resources regarding the importance of digital accessibility. Thank you for watching our Tech Tip Tuesday for this week. You can also visit us on the web at csumb.edu/IT or follow us on social media, on Twitter and Instagram at CSUMB_IT. Feel free to send us your suggestions for future topics via our social media.